Starting in 2, 1, live. Okay. Should start. Nice. We're live.
Great.
Awesome. Wait, why isn't this appearing? Should appear. Okay, it does appear. All right. Hi everyone. I'm Moose. We're live in Potrero Hills, San Francisco at the Gamma HQ, and I've got Zach here with me.
Hello, I'm Zach. I'm the head of labs at Gamma.
And I'm just an engineer on the workspace team. Okay, so every week, every Friday, we go live and we do some vibe coding together. And what have we been doing so far?
So we're working on a game.
What kind of game?
Well, it started as a very simple lunar lander, but it's actually been really fun to just like riff on each other's ideas and flesh it out. We've added all sorts of stuff, like a Mario Kart inspired customization
Yes.
to customize your lander,
Yeah.
multiple landing pads. The big thing we added obviously is multiplayer.
Yes. Yeah.
So, and it was amazing just to be able to ask a coding agent, just add multiplayer. And it was like, okay,
Yeah. Yeah. Here's your multiplayer.
here you go.
Which we can definitely, yeah, and it's actually live right now, so anyone could like play with us if they wanted to.
Sure.
I'm just gonna post this link in the chat if people care. But yeah, so and okay, so we have the game. Well, we're doing something different today. What are we gonna
I'm
do?
excited
Yeah, what is it?
about today.
Why?
So last week we tried to do this thing where we both were basically editing the same game at the same time on each other's laptops to collaborate,
Yeah,
especially to basically use our coding agents at this simultaneously.
cool.
But
But can we already do that with Git and like pull requests and stuff?
that's what we tried last time, and what happened was I felt like I was always behind, and like I'd have to make a commit, and then you have to pull, and then mine was out of date, so it was a little bit of a mess. But today I think we solved it. Maybe
Okay.
it'll be interesting. You want to explain what the heck it is that you've created?
Okay, I'll explain what we've created, and I also want to be clear about like our different requirements than usual, because most people collaborate, but like you push and pull from branches, like committing, and Git is doing all of the hard work of like reconciling changes. But what we want is like to be literally editing the same file simultaneously, not like commit and then push it, but like when you save the file, I want it to be different for me.
Same file system, same computer we're both using.
Exactly. So so we have a computer we're sharing, and it's just like an EC2 machine. And basically the link that you're seeing, I'm just gonna start sharing my screen. So I just shared this moon.professormoose.com. That's just like a machine that's on Amazon's web data center. We're SSHing into this machine.
Mhm.
Basically, we're sharing a user account on this machine, connecting over SSH, so that when I make a change, which I'm gonna do using my terminal and Claude Code, because I can just run Claude here. Well, I'm not gonna do that here. I'm just gonna do it inside what's the name of the folder? Hold on. Yeah, it's live vibe coding.
And then moon packages.
Yeah,
Um,
if I do Claude here, I'm like literally modifying these files. And how are you connecting to this?
So I'm using Cursor through SSH,
Okay.
and I think we should just let the agents know, like, hey, we're doing this weird thing.
Okay.
You might see changes that aren't yours.
Yeah, we should
So
put
just
it into
let them
the.
happen. I don't know. Like maybe we can like give it a little bit of instruction. Like if you see something funky,
Yeah.
that's what's been going on, and maybe it'll just figure it out. I don't
And we
know.
have a Claude.md. We should probably rename that to agent.md or something. But
Yeah.
this seems like a good piece of context to put in our agent context
Yeah.
file.
That you may see unexpected changes.
Okay, let's start with that. So, hey, so I'm going to be modifying these files in the same file system along with my friend Zach, and we're both connected to the same machine. So can you update like the agent instruction in CloudMD and link that to agent.md for any other agents to let agents know that files in this repo are going to be changing simultaneously by multiple editors.
And once it makes that change, I'll just ask my agent to just read it.
Cool.
I'm very curious what it's gonna think.
Okay. Yeah. By the
It's
way,
like, okay.
the transcription provided by courtesy of Whisperflow.
Incredible.
Not sponsored. Although we do pay for Cursor Flow.
So it's renaming Claude the agent, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Okay. Neither Claude MD or Agent MD exists yet. Okay.
Well, great. So it's gonna read. There's gonna be one agent file. It's gonna be like, yo, get ready for some
Cool.
weird stuff.
I'm also putting my Claude in auto mode, which is it doesn't ask me yes or no. It just goes for it, but it does have some security checks, I think. But this is a sandbox machine. We don't have anything sensitive on here, so it's actually totally fine. Add a prominent concurrent multi-editor section warning against agent changes.
This is great. Yeah.
Condensed version of the same warning. Cool. Okay.
Nice.
Zach is spelled with an H.
All right. I see the Claude file. I don't see the agent file.
Agents.md.
I see Claude.
Oh, it's like I think it's in the project root. Oh.
Oh, so I'm in the
We should
wrong.
be like I should just go inside Moon too. This
Well-
is my mistake.
Yeah, I think so.
We should just go see. All right. Okay. Can you actually consolidate agents and Claude MD into a single, well, to be identical, and one should just be a symlink to the other? Also, put this stuff in the Moon package because that's where I'm going to be working in. Cool. Okay. After it does what it's supposed to do, I'm gonna kill this session and just CD into Moon, so we're both in Moon. All right. This is already in Moon. Let me just go into Moon here too. Live coding packages. Moon. Cool. All right. All right. Concurrent multi-agents. Okay. Nice. Is it there?
It's reading it.
Nice. Yeah, commit this.
This repo is on a shared machine, edited by multiple people and agents simultaneously, currently by the user Moose and Zach.
Cool.
Cool.
User
Oh,
Moose.
it's reading edit guidance. I'll review the files immediately before editing. Keep edits small and local. Never assume exclusive control over file branch process. Surface conflicts to the user instead of overriding context changes. Great.
Cool. Okay.
I think that's all it needs.
I think we should also say like, there's a separate like process serving the dev server. So just like, do not touch that. Just assume that's running.
Yeah.
Right. Or I could. Yeah. Let's do that.
Yeah, I think so.
And also note that there's a separate process that's managing the dev server. So don't try to kill that or restart it. Just ask me if you want me to do something to it.
Yeah, because actually that would be really bad because
it was
takedown for
it was kill dash nining like last time, which it makes sense if it's like wants to see the dev output. Restart, otherwise touch it. If you need some, ask the user to do it. Cool. Commit this. Why not? Doesn't hurt. Even though I like committing stuff because then I can do git dev. You know.
Dev server is hands off. I won't kill, restart, or touch it.
Okay.
Great.
Yeah. All right.
Cool. Well, this will be fun. Okay, I think that's really good context for the agents. Because I know that they're gonna get down a rabbit hole and be like, "Oh, lint failed. Let me go figure this out." Like, wait, bud. Like, just do your thing and then wait.
Yeah.
Okay. Well.
Should we just like play the game one round just to kind of get back into
Let's do it.
I'm just gonna do
Agile.
a lot of fuel. I need maximum fuel with decent power, and
Oh, where we left off was the slow motion mode.
oh yeah, ooh, because we were trying this HUD thing.
Right. We were trying to figure out how to
Oh, oh my God.
basically how guidance would work, how we can
Yeah, visual, like,
help people get to the landing pad as a power up.
I think I'll be able to land. Refield, nice.
Oh,
And thanks to this cheese of like being able to like take off and land again and again, having a big tank is really nice.
yes, the cheese.
Burn, approach, rotate, align. Oh, those indicators are interesting. Oh, did you see that like on the
Yeah, they kind of
left side? There's also like a burn, like
they
almost
work.
like a delta V indicator of like
Oh yeah,
how much burn is left to do.
I did see that. Oh boy.
That's kind of cool, right?
You know what I want? I want an afterburner. I want to hold shift and be like
Ooh.
extra
Oh,
juice.
and once the burn fills up all the way and it's red, that means you're gonna die.
Well,
So-
that's the thing is that it's irrecoverable.
yeah. Okay, this is. I didn't even notice this one last time, but I like it. Okay,
Like there's no way you can't.
now it's recoverable.
Oh yeah, you did.
Yeah, it's. I got it just in time. Okay, cool. So where do you want to take it? Like, I mean, a couple ideas. The shop system that seemed fun.
That just seemed
We've
fun,
been
yeah.
like trying to get this HUD to be like pretty useful, and I don't know if it.
Those seem isolated. Those seem like different
Yeah,
different ideas that could be.
I don't
easily
even
worked
know how to make this HUD super useful.
on.
Like, cause if it in a first person game, just being like go this way, go that way is like so visceral, where it's like
this is so it's so weird because you have to like angle the ship. Maybe it's just like you hit space bar and it just like does it or something. I don't know.
That-
Auto land.
that would be sick. Yes, that's what I want.
That's
Cause
it.
then that's a cool power up. You
Yeah.
can buy some auto lands.
And you just like press space bar and it just like
Yeah,
lands
and
so great.
I would love to watch like different iterations of it get better at landing too. Nice. An
What are some
auto
other-
land feature.
Can we look at our ideas file? We have an ideas
Yeah,
file
let's
there.
ask the. Can you read our ideas file or project file? Tell me where we left off, like some of the ideas. Not IDs file. Oh, ideas MD. Oh, cool.
Shop system.
Autopilot.
yeah.
Okay, so I think this is like autopilot. Parachute, that's useful. Parachute is different than autopilot because autopilots can feel sick.
There was a the idea of an eject pod or something. Like you know you're gonna crash, you get it one time, and then you
That's-
eject out and then you parachute down.
Yes,
And you get to save yourself one chance to save yourself.
exactly. Yeah. And we gotta probably undo the slow mode because like now it feels really weird. It's like
Yeah.
super sluggish.
But I actually do think the game should be just slower in general.
Yes. So we don't. Okay. How do we sequence that? Do we want to like level, like tune balance it first, or do we just like go?
Let me
Just
I'm
like
gonna
go-
ask if there's a speed control.
Oh.
And then just see if we can just like I don't know, maybe in game just be able to control it and see what feels right. You know?
Okay. Yeah.
Or just double it. I think.
Wait, say more.
I mean, it's gonna be a lot. I feel like it's gonna be a lot of balancing, right? As like we figure out how fast the game should go, you know, and how difficult like landing should be. There's like all these different variables. I think. I almost want us to be able to just be like, you know, some multiplier that feels like right. You know.
Hmm. Oh, and you want it to be different for each of us, so we can like, or there's like
No,
a global
I
setting
think-
that
I think
anyone
just
can
I
turn.
think
That,
just a global setting.
that anyone can tweak. That's well. I mean, when we're in testing mode, it'd be cool to have like a knob that's universal that we can both update.
Yeah, exactly.
That is, like you can. Cool. All right, let's do that. Do you want to do that?
Yeah, let's do
Like
it.
a speed knob.
Yeah, I can't seem to find speed exercise speed demon tracer.
I want to try to build like autopilot.
Go for it.
I think that can be done simultaneously. All right. And this is going to distract you if I'm talking to Whisper?
No.
Cool. Okay, I want to work on an autopilot feature. Let's plan it first. Um, and the way I want autopilot to work is that like if I hit the space bar or like some key, and eventually autopilot will be like a scarce or a finite resource, but right now it can be infinite. And when I hit that button, maybe I get like a sort of like a selector for like which pad I'm choosing to land. And once I confirm, the autopilot just takes over and uses actually in-game physics and mechanics to land. So it's not like a suspend gravity and take over the event loop, but it's just knows exactly how to manage the thrusters. And managing the thrusters have been hard, so maybe we want to do like a two-stage implementation where, you know, we first validate our ability to generate like effective control sequence inputs, and then like package all that into autopilot. Yeah, basically control theory stuff. Okay.
So I did some investigation into the timescale variable that you set.
Yeah.
And then I asked it to basically make that a controllable shared variable for the game world.
Yeah.
And then I asked it to make the plus and minus keys the shortcut for that.
Cool.
So any player at this point for debugging should be able to use plus and minus, and basically adjust the timescale to what feels right, which can be fun to do.
Cool. Awesome. And then do we have this feature of like multiple like oh, this is actually a different thing. So we now have multiple rooms. When you're joining, you can pick which room you want to be in. It'd be really nice if there's like one universal room.
Maybe like
we might need to do that together though, because that's going to be a change to the game architecture quite a bit.
Like you're saying, you just land at like the homepage and it's just you're in a room.
You're already seeing other people play, and then you can click the join button, and when you hit the join button, you still see the people playing in the background, and you just get asked to be like pick your like ship type and enter your name, and then you spawn.
That doesn't feel like that big of a change in the architecture.
Yeah, the ladder is not the non-multi. I guess if we don't like add, it shouldn't refactor everything because it's probably all the data is grouped by room. It can keep that architecture, so at some point we can go to multi-room, but just like default to the room called moon and don't even ask the users.
Yeah, it feels like that's it's as simple as just setting the default room name string.
Yeah. Key finding passive flight rate. Detects target angle, whether it's a thrust. Closing the loop, feeding that control outputs. Okay. Briefly freeze. Cool. It first asked me like while I'm picking where to land.
Briefly freeze.
How do you want to validate headless harness? Cool.
Wow.
Nice. I definitely want the headless harness. Yeah.
This thing literally is like computing the whole trajectory and firing all the thrusters and everything for you.
Yeah, that's what autopilot's.
I can't wait.
And
to
it's
see
gonna
this.
also build like a headless harness to like run the game loop with the inputs to validate that
Whoa.
it's like.
That's pretty dope.
Yeah, it's a simulation. Manual input or escape cancels. Let's do toggle. Oh yeah, I like manual input cancels because that feels like Tesla like autopilot or whatever. If I like yank on the steering wheel, it's like, oh, you want controls instead, huh? Cool. Have you seen these like there are these like YouTube series people post about like I think it's usually genetic algorithms where they like show you different generations of like say like a car learning to go around the track.
Yeah, I've seen
Those are always really fun.
Or like learning to walk.
Yeah, exactly. Learning to walk. I almost wish I could like watch. I mean, it's just going to one shot it, not one shot it, but like it's just gonna write the right
This
equations
is a
and
lot.
get it.
Well, it's a lot simpler than like a neural network trying to like figure out something,
Yes.
right? Because it knows.
It's a very controlled environment.
Yeah,
It's just like acceleration, mass, and you can calculate.
It knows
everything.
exactly where it's going. Yeah, it can just do an algorithm.
Yeah.
But like for, learning, I mean, I think it'd be really cool to have Claude write like a training program and like actually train like the AIs to like play with us. That'd be fun. Like, it's this whole idea that using coding agents, we can do these kinds of things that are so like, so complicated. Like adding multiplayer was like so easy. Like.
Yeah. It's just
Like,
imagination has always been powerful. It feels like the information era or whatever you call the last 50 years of computers and stuff, is that what we're imagining, we're able to create that shared space where we can experience it deeply. Which, I mean, language has always been that.
Mhm.
Storytelling has always been that. But like now we can like have the idea and experience it in this really visceral way. Okay, I'm gonna read the plans because I love reading plans because that's, as a tech lead, that's my job, reading plans. Okay, manually managing thrusters to land is the hard part of the game. We want autopilot. Ship flies itself down using real in-game physics and controls. Cool. Not by suspending gravity or hijacking the loop. Infinite for now, finite scarcely. Code base already most of the way there. Cool. I actually don't know if the guidance logic is correct. There, I'll say that. Compute guidance and compute guided trajectory. Okay, nice. It's going to export that and then refactor per tick step. So it's going to test this headless harness. Great. Autopilot actuation and pad selector. Oh, you were able to speed it way up.
Yeah, I actually like 0.5 speed. I think that
Cool.
feels fun, challenging still, but like
Cool.
very controllable.
Stage automated, no server needed. I'm
I'm just gonna bake this in, I think. Like 0.5,
Oh.
0.5 is perfect. It's like really nice actually.
0.5.
Yeah, I gotta fix this.
What? I think we have too many. I think the Mario Kart selector ranges too wide, cause like the heaviest cart and the lightest cart, the controls aren't so different. Like a new player may barely would like notice.
You think that they need to be just more distinct?
I think they're too distinct, is what I'm saying. Or rather, like maybe it makes it hard to balance that. Like, if I go heavy, it's just like I'm playing a totally different game than you are.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, it really is.
You know, but it's, I mean, but can you believe that we're already like 35 minutes into this?
Zipping through.
You're zipping through. Okay, let's still save last 5 minutes for Rosebud and Thorn, all right?
Okay.
And then like basically I'll do a 10-minute warning in 10 minutes. So we got like 20 minutes to just, let's mess around for 10 minutes and in 10 minutes decide like how to land this thing. Do I have this too?
You should if you refresh, yeah. No, you get it, yeah. Plus or minus.
And it's like affects you too, right?
Yeah. But I'm baking in 0.5. I just think that feels right.
Oh, sim speed. Oh, I see it on the left. Man, I'm just like loving this kind of like the font and feel of like the
Yeah, it feels
like space. It feels like
retro,
space shuttle.
retro computer, yeah.
It feels space shuttle like control system.
What if we just made it look more like space shuttle? I want to smooth the terrain. Can I do that?
Yeah, go for it. Because this is weird. Like, what's up? What's up with that?
I'll just do it.
Go for it. Yeah.
I'm really
Headless test.
vibing now. I'm just like, let's just try something.
Cool. Do you always use cursor? Is cursor your go-to environment?
Cursor and Devon. Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty much.
We should show off Devin at some point.
Devon, I let run for really long. Just like, oh.
Land is okay. It did like autopilot
Oh, so
validation.
you had it run. Oh, this is really interesting. You had it run 500.
It's
and it
like it's
actually
like creating
failed?
like randomized situations and seeing if the control actually results in safe landing.
That's so
This
fascinating.
is also like a game balance tester, like
Oh yeah, that's great because you can do it all in TED.
yeah, and it's actually running through it, right? It's
Yeah,
not
it probably does it really fast too, right?
yeah.
So
Off
what does it
pad,
need? So
too
what does it
fast.
need to do? It needs to actually increase. I mean, it needs to change its algorithm, obviously.
Yeah, let's do
So it's like
BTW.
19%.
How are you fixing?
19% landed today. So auto land has about a 20% chance of working.
Yeah, that's not gonna.
Also, where's the other 20%? Am I crazy? 60%?
Oh yeah, let's do Control O to see the full output. By
Oh, time out. I ran out of time. Okay.
by engine. Balance is much more successful.
Interesting.
Complete guidance. Cool. BTW like ran for a while. Building headless test harness. It's still going, right? Okay, it's just switching. Decoupled control. Now I'm feeling pretty proud of the fact that I asked it to do the headless test harness
That's cool.
because it was messing up last week, right?
Well, what you have had to do is you would have had to manually like try it.
Yeah.
There's no way you could have ran it 500 times. I mean,
Yes.
You
Yeah.
know, and then like computed like 60
Landed
right.
safely 2%. Okay, cool. It changed it, but not better.
So it's tweaking its what?
Like
No, that's interesting because I set the time scale to 0.5.
yeah, it's I think in this case I don't know if time scale means the same thing.
Oh.
It's just the number of ticks of the game engine that is
Are you telling me there's multiple time scale values?
I think in the simulation time scale is not a factor of seconds, but the time scale is like how much acceleration is accumulated between ticks, I think, or like how much games. This is just a guess. I might be wrong. Landed safely. It's actually getting worse. Well, it got really bad. Now it's to 15%. Timeout's gone. Touchdowns are soft, but now off pad. Okay, cool. Okay, this is actually how I would try to tackle this too. In progress. Timeouts are gone. Now it's gonna hover over to the pad and go straight down, which is like a good way of implementing.
But it has to reverse thrust then, right?
Well, it's like it has to like yeah.
It's going to like.
It's gonna go like this.
I don't
and
know.
Then this. And
You
then
know what you should do? You should ask it to Google, like, are there like lunar trajectory solvers out there that you can like?
Yeah.
Because there's an efficiency problem here, right?
Yeah. If you're like burning more than you need to.
Right.
Ultimately, you want to find. Yeah.
Because it should like the worst thing is to like literally make a burn all the way over, make a reverse burn the opposite direction, slow your velocity, your x velocity to 0, then rotate, then burn again, trying to stop your y velocity. Like you need to balance
And you
your total
definitely,
energy state, right?
yeah, you definitely don't want to hover because hovering is really expensive.
Yeah.
You want to fall in the right direction.
Is it thinking about this the right way, or is it like, I think it needs some help. I don't know. What do you think?
All right, slow rotation engines can't arrest.
Ooh, what did it say?
It said, okay, here's what it said. Um,
Can't arrest
PD,
horizontal drift.
PD
Right.
controller.
So the delivery resistor. So yeah,
What?
exactly. Hmm.
Oh my god! I wish we could watch the simulations. That would be fun. If you could like see like
Just watching the ships crash.
crash. Um, but I'm also glad that we're getting like faster iteration towards like a good.
I'm fixing the cheese, by the way.
What's the cheese? Oh, you
I
are.
had to fix the cheese. It was too much. I just too much.
I like the cheese.
I added a gradient also to the ground.
Oh, yeah.
The designer in me can't.
I gotta see.
If you refresh, you'll get nice. See the nice little gradient, and you saw it. Let's see if he goes to the. It's subtle, but it's there.
Oh yeah, but why do these like this? Well, how did I make that mistake? How come I got so much? Um.
Ooh.
Oh, I don't think this is gonna work out.
Nope.
Fuel is really scarce. All right.
Okay, let's see that. If you refresh, I should have fixed the cheese.
Bang bang throttle. Aim to reach ground as we target. Oh my god. Major jump to 43. Nice. Cool. Look at that. This is the best we've done so far. It's like half success rate. Oh, I should have put this in fast mode. Keep going.
Can we try it?
No, well, like
Or is it still just like
it's still working. It's still like 50-50. It's 42-57, which is the best it's done. I just wanted to put the LLM in expensive fast mode because that's what we do when we stream. I think we can make the landscape even prettier.
What do you think?
Or I didn't even see the well. So these
That
like
weird
gaps
line
are really.
there. I think we just get rid of that line. We need the borders. I don't know. If
We don't need the borders, but like, why is this even happening? I thought like we could probably ask it to. Oh,
It says already claimed, but I think we need to get rid of that too.
I want to go to where you are.
Am I in the game? I am. I'm right below you. Hello.
Ooh.
Are you coming too fast? Oops.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, off pad nearly eliminated again. 57-42, getting there. It up the controller validation to 800 scenarios.
So how long does it take for each like iteration?
High
It's pretty
cruise
fast.
kills terrain crashes but stars feel low cruise. Oh my god. Adapt to. Okay, I think we should also give everyone more fuel.
Go for it.
Yeah.
I could use more fuel.
Okay. We should give everyone more fuel.
Pretty big. I don't know. Like if it. Here's a good question. Assuming we had infinite fuel, like,
Oh.
would that bring us to 100? And could you just temporarily set the fuel to
100, yeah.
100? Just
But it's nice that like the fuel constraint is forcing it to train in a better view.
That is true.
Terrain clearance. Yeah, adaptive cruise margin and climb harder. Wow, 80%.
Whoa.
Okay, let's get it to 98%.
I did a few quality of life quality of life tweaks here.
Actually, maybe I won't play it. Yeah. Okay, I need to see why the remaining 11%. Oh, this is very smart. It's like, how I figure out. I mean, it makes sense that like Claude is built by people who are doing these kinds of automations all the time, like these kind of tricks.
Right?
1500. It's like it's basically classifying. 90% might be too high. Okay, I'm checking it out. I just want to watch it.
So how is it doing terrain avoidance?
I don't know.
Ask it.
80. Okay, let's do that. Yeah. How are you doing terrain avoidance? Adaptive terrain following cruise inside the controller. Look ahead. When ship is translating toward the pad, not yet committed over to it, the controller samples the terrain along the path between evenly spaced points, highest ground in that corridor. Computer required cruise altitude, then it says cruise clearance to keep a margin above the highest peak, expressed at height above local ground, clamped to the same range. So flat approaches stay low, fuel cheap, while hilly approaches climb just enough to clear the tallest.
It's clearance following, not true obstacle path planning.
Yeah.
But that
Which makes sense,
seems to work.
because it's like,
Well, it's not like it has like sensors or anything.
oh,
it's just,
it must have got 93.
that's pretty good. We should be able to. Hopefully, we can try it before the stream ends.
Okay, yeah, we gotta be able to try it. Oh, okay. 95% is good enough. Let's get this to a place where we can try it out. No, I really want to try it.
I forgot you could do tricks.
Yeah,
Lest we forget.
0.5. Zero timeouts. Engaged. You gotta tell me how to turn it on too. Also tell me how to turn it on when you're done.
Ooh.
Teammate editing. Wait, the simultaneous editing has been pretty smooth.
Yeah. And it knows.
Because I didn't even think to tell it. I'm glad you said.
I'm just like I know what you're gonna do. I know it's gonna be like, oh well, I don't know what this is. Let me look at the Git log. It's gonna be like, oh.
Yes, it's gonna be like,
just
did I pull? No, none of that.
It's like, oh, something's wrong with Turbo Pack. I'm like, no, stop. Everything's fine here. Just let it happen.
Yeah,
Just don't worry about it. Something
Yeah.
weird's going on.
it's like we really are developing our own mental models of like anticipating the things that might be most confusing.
Yeah, it's really changed my mind about how to think about development in a lot of ways.
Cool mindset. Oh my god.
Can I try it yet? Is it in?
Not yet. It's.
Can't wait.
I don't know why it's confirm harness still runs it. It's doing. Oh, it's just like doing like type checking to make.
97.
All the checks are all the to do.
Okay. So you're an astronaut. We're going to tell you, like, look.
Okay, press space opens pad selector.
Oh my god, this is serious.
Okay. Let's just do balanced. Alright.
Does it give you a percentage chance of survival? So really,
okay. I'm just gonna do the easiest one.
oh wow, look at it go. It's like firing the thrusters. I'm
It's
watching
like-
you land. This is incredible.
It's
That
Okay.
was so good.
all right. Okay, now let's do something hard because it's low, but it has to go there. Okay.
It's gonna jump up and it has to burn off the velocity. Oh, now see what it's doing? That's efficient. Look at that.
It did like a big launch
Bro,
burn.
we should work at SpaceX. This is incredible. Look at us.
It's too
We
late.
can land-
We wouldn't
we
like
can
hit
land
our
a
cliff
roll
before
booster.
IPO.
It's great. One thing I'm noticing is that the burns are not throttled. So it is burning 100% or it's burning 0%.
Yeah.
So I wonder if
Well, we don't have like our keyboards are Boolean, right? Are you hitting the? But you could like
well the autopilot could have a throttle burn.
autopilot could have a throttle. The other thing could be that like the pressing the key gradually scales up the throttle, or we could have different keys for like adjust throttle. So like you know like so in Kerbal Space Program there's a key that like says thrust to 100. There are other keys that like increment thrust by 10%.
It would be nice to be able to hover. Although
Yeah, there just isn't enough feel. Oh my god. Okay, we have 2 minutes left.
Can I
Should
watch
we-
that one more time? That was beautiful. I just want
Alright.
to see that.
Okay.
That was really something.
The fact that it's got
It can
like,
take off and land is like pretty great.
and it's only giving me the ones that are
And within range. It
I
can't
know.
get there. There's no way.
I know.
12% chance.
It says
Look at it. It's
Is
like
there a
sipping
12%
fuel.
chance? Did it say it's a 12% chance?
There's no way. There's no way. You're dead.
Yeah. That was too high. Okay. Minus 70.
What we
What's
need is
a
I
minus
think we
mean?
need like there's no way it can go that far. There just
Let's do
isn't.
this one.
Like it's so far away. It's traverse. Look at it go. This is incredible. It's flying through so many bands. How did it do this? Like I can't even fly this well.
Okay. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna make it. It's
no,
got
it's
an
at
arrow to the
6,000 meters. There's no way.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Okay. All right. I just want to do like one that's doable. Let's do.
Shouldn't it like know what's doable? I guess
Yeah, it should. Like this fuel estimator is wrong. But let's see if it can do 8.
It's pretty far. 2,000 meters.
I think it's gonna do this one.
I don't know. The problem is burning off that velocity.
Oh my
No,
god.
no. You can't do it too much. Around fuel.
So close. It almost got it. It
That was
almost got
really close.
it. Okay, we're at time. Wait, not we're at time. We just gotta like switch gears and do like, what do we want to do next time?
Yeah.
Like,
Okay.
wait, I mean, Rosebud and Thorn. Like, I mean, okay. First of all, as editing or SSH, totally smooth.
Totally fine.
Not even like.
I don't even think they even knew we were in there.
I saw like not cool. Great.
There
Love to know
was-
that.
I will say there was one thorn where I did have to restart the server for the speed changes.
You did, but I didn't restart the server.
It went around it and like did some weird things, but really it should have. We should have probably restarted the server, or at least been able to.
Okay, cool.
So I think. Yeah, I think maybe. This is the problem.
Do you think
Does
people
this-
wish they could see both of our screens as we were both working?
Probably.
We could do that. We could
Yeah.
probably just do that over Zoom or something, like some way.
Yeah.
Um,
Or we'll need to figure out how to do multiplayer OBS. That's fun for next time.
yeah.
That would have been nice. Let's see. Yeah, does server live reload?
Yeah, it should. It should. I can see what happened.
Yeah,
if
I
it
don't. I
like
think
crashed.
there
with
was
some-
some refreshing. I think that needed to happen, but anyway.
Yeah.
So that was probably maybe a little bit weird for me, but ultimately though, this is so fun being able to just like do stuff and make stuff happen and
Simultaneously.
yeah.
Yeah.
It was cool that you were working on like a much more engaged, kind of deeper thread, deeper problem, and I'm just like, oh, make a gradient, make it, get rid of this cheese.
Yeah.
Like it's cool. It's cool just being able to work in different levels almost simultaneously.
Yeah. And then at the end, it's all in the same place. We
Yeah,
don't
which
even
is,
have
which
to.
is so cool.
This is what continuous integration is supposed to be about. Right?
Continuous development. We're just
Continuous development. Wow. Okay. I mean, Rose, seeing it get from like 20% success to 95%, that's
Yeah.
definitely a highlight.
watching that thing actually land itself. I was like, oh, that's so cool.
Yeah. No, and if it just said like this is impossible, I can't do it, and so you always knew it was gonna be successful, even when that would be amazing. I guess that's like a to do. Autopilot should tell you if it's not gonna make it.
Yeah, it's surprising that it's like, oh, this thing's like 10 kilometers away.
Yeah.
You will die.
Yeah.
It turns autopilot into the death button. It's like, it seems like maybe that's
Yeah.
a bad idea.
Make that a to do for next time. Yeah. Bud is definitely the SSH stuff. That is like.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That works. It's not that hard.
It makes you wonder if there's something at work we could do with that somehow.
Yeah. Yes.
Interesting idea.
Definitely. I think there's like yeah, we definitely don't pair program as much as we could, should.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thorn. What's the thorn? Think this. I don't know. My only thorn is that like I wish the landscape looked cooler.
Well, I'm on it.
Yeah. It's like
Maybe
I'm
we
ready
need-
for biomes, man.
Maybe what we need is. Yeah. Okay. Biomes. Maybe biomes.
Biomes or something. I think like now that we can, because the nice thing about autopilot is that I can just put it into exploratory mode when I'm like I don't want to be challenged. You can
Just fire it off.
yeah, sandbox mode or like
It's just more fun. It's like the game doesn't need to be hard. It just
Yes.
needs to be like
and then like if you turn it off, then you're feeling badass about doing it, but you're not like
Hand flies.
forced to. What was the thorn for you?
the server restart compilation problems, live refreshing, a little bit of a thorn.
That it didn't
I
just
think
refresh, right?
I think also it would be nice for people to see what I'm doing over here too.
Yes. Yeah. Like where like if I'm like heads down on something, like maybe you're like the bigger screen or
Yeah.
something. Cool. All right. Well, that's it for another Gamma Live
Yeah.
Vibe coding stream.
everybody.
Yeah. Oh my god. Man, I definitely want to watch it optimize and see the optimizations again next time. Like that. Like that.
You should just ask it. Just ask it to be like, give me like a playback or something.
Yeah.
And watch like 500 of them try to land.
Yeah. Can you create SVG animations of each one so I can watch?
We're just like replayed in the game engine, you know.
Yeah. Cool. Okay. All right. That's great. Okay. Anyways,